Hello everyone. So we'll start with paper 2 of mathematics today, that is geometry, and the first topic similarity. Okay. The paper is very easy and we have covered one topic already, that is trigonometry. हम लोग ने पहले cover कर चुके हैं. This is the second topic that we are starting, similarity. So the topic is extremely easy and scoring, provided you have your basic and prerequisites a bit clear. I agree that the topic is new, but the few of the part is you have studied in your lower grade. So let me share my screen. I hope the recording is on. Okay, I hope my screen is visible. Similarity lecture 1. So in this topic, what we are going to study is nothing. I don't know why that pen tab is not loading. Okay. So here we are going to study ratio of areas of two triangles. Okay. Converse of basic proportionality theorem as well as basic proportionality theorem. Then we are going to study different tests of similarity of triangles. कौन से टेस्ट से हो सकता है? इफ यू रिमेम्बर लास्ट ईयर हम लोगों ने कौन से टेस्ट से ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव किया जा सकता है वो पढ़ा था. इस बार हम लोग कौन से टेस्ट से ट्रायंगल सिमिलर प्रूव किया जा सकता है वो पढ़ेंगे. Mind you, there is difference between congruency and similarity. So I won't tell now. It's again your job to find out कि क्या difference है, ठीक है? And not mine. And do comment section में comment कर लेना कि क्या difference है, okay? Next is property of an angle bisector of triangle. ये भी एक अच्छा topic है. Property of areas of similar triangle. And then last, the ratio of intercept of transverse, मतलब ratio of intercept made on the transversal by three parallel lines. So these are the topics at a glance that we are going to study in this particular topic. Now let me come to the prerequisites which are required, which you should know in fact by this time. So that prerequisite, let me write in some good color. I don't know, purple color दिख रहा है क्या? No, lavender color. So sad. किधर गया? We don't have any option. Thank God. चलो मिल गया ये कलर. ठीक है. So there are certain prerequisites that you should know, and I expect कि तुम लोग को आता रहेगा. You all are good people. So first of all, in previous standard, you have studied an area of a regular triangle, isn't it? So let me have a triangle first. Oh no, ये कौन से तरह का triangle आ रहा है? Triangle आ गया. ठीक है, never mind. I don't want this triangle. और कोई shape नहीं है क्या triangle में इन लोग के पास? I don't want any right angle triangle. I want a normal triangle. ठीक है, चलो. Hmm, ठीक है. I'm not so good in using this particular technology yet of now. Okay. But since in geometry we are majority of the time concerned with the figures, I have to use this, or else मैं वो अपना basic वाला blackboard use करता. ठीक है. So let me draw height as well. It looks like triangle also. So let's start. Let me name this figure as A B M C. ठीक है. So basically ये तुमने lower class में पढ़ा है. What is an area of triangle? So area of triangle. Here in this case, you can write triangle ABC is equal to nothing but half into base into height. I expect you to know this much, ठीक है? And नहीं पता है तो अभी याद कर लो. This is right angle, of course, my dear. ठीक है? So area of triangle ABC is nothing but half into base into height. So what is your base here? Half base is BC into what is your height here? It is AN. ठीक है? समझा या कुछ डाउट है? I hope समझा रहेगा. So BC into AM. Now this was the prerequisite which one should know. Now coming to the topic which we are going to study in this grade, that is 10th standard, that is uh, ratios of similar triangle. Ratios of areas of similar triangle. Okay, ratios of areas of similar triangle, isn't it? So basically here all the prerequisite and theory part would be there. Never mind. Ratios of areas of similar triangles. So at present, I'm not going into proving this theorem. मेरे को prove नहीं करना है फिलहाल, ठीक है? Since we are already running a bit late this academic year, I'm not proving this particular theorem. Proof you will find in your textbook or your curriculum. I just want you all to understand what does this particular theorem mean. So first of all, let me have two triangles. Again, drawing triangle is a big deal now for me. Normal triangle एक तो आता नहीं क्या इधर वन नोट में? I don't know. ठीक है, इससे बना, ठीक है. I'll just draw roughly with hand. Suppose ये एक triangle है and ये एक triangle है. कुछ ज्यादा ही रफ हो गया है. Let me use technology. है तो it will take some time, but it's good then. See this. ये एक triangle हो गया मेरा. Let me take one more triangle. Let me use mouse. It's more convenient. There is no space left actually. Let's see what we can do. एक ट्रायंगल इधर ले लेता हूँ, एक नीचे ले लेता हूँ, ठीक है? Understand my pain now. ठीक है? It doesn't seems like a perpendicular. ठीक है, अभी थोड़ा स्ट्रेट लाइन दिख रहा है. Thank God. चलो, good. Now coming back to the slate pen part, इसको नामकरण कर देते हैं इसका. So let my first triangle be ABMC and my second triangle be XYZ. इसको भी नाम दे देते हैं N. ठीक है? Now can you all see two triangles? So first of all, given I'll just switch off my video so that you have a full screen view. So sorry, मेरे दिमाग से निकल गया था, but never mind. So given what is this then? क्या दिया है मुझे इसमें कि in triangle ABC, comma AM is perpendicular to BC such that B dash M dash C. This should be your first point. And similarly, in triangle, other triangle, क्या नाम है उसका? This is height. Don't forget this is height. ठीक है? So such that B dash and in other triangles like XN, so you can write in triangle XYZ, XN is perpendicular to YZ and such that Y dash N dash Z. ठीक है? Now, basically what this theorem is asking me to prove. So this is my given part. Now what I need to prove? I need to prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to base. देखो, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल बेसिकली डील्स विद व्हाट. ठीक है, मैं तुम लोग को ना एक जनरल फॉर्म में सिखा दूंगा बाद में, so that ये बार बार ये सब. See, at present this I have given the notation so that you can basically understand. And ये first theorem है तो मैंने बोला proof नहीं करवाऊंगा, but I will do the proof. Don't worry. So that at least I want you all to understand a bit. So ये आ जाएगा area of triangle ABC is nothing but half. Sorry, we need to prove what? We need to prove BC into AM upon YZ upon XN. Sorry, YZ into XN. This is the thing we need to prove. Let me jump on to the proof part. This is which pen baba, dark purple na. So let me just jump onto the proof part. I hope figure तुमको दिख रहा रहेगा and I'll directly go to proof. I hope my handwriting is good now. So area of triangle, area of any triangle is what? Area of any triangle is equal to what? Area of any triangle is what? Half into base into height. Take care. Now, in this case, therefore, what will be the area of triangle ABC? It is going to be what? Half into base is BC into height is what? AM. See, geometry mein you should have a proper planning while you are solving your question. Just starting without any plan or without any understanding won't give you any result, unlike algebra. XYZ is equal to half into YZ into Xn. Let this be your equation number 1. Let this be your equation number 2. Now go to ratio form. इनको ratio form में लिखो तो क्या मिलेगा? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle XYZ is equal to क्या आ जाएगा? Here it is going to be half into BC into AM upon half into YZ into XN. My god, that into looks so horrible. Into XN YZ into XN. ठीक है, अभी ढंग का दिख रहा है. हाफ ऑफ विल गेट कैंसल्ड, तो इधर मुझे मिल जाएगा एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC अपॉन एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल XYZ is equal to BC into AM upon YZ into XN. So basically now what you are concluding from this, इधर तो मेरा proof हो गया, hence proved. But what do you conclude from this particular part? What do you conclude is, if, let me use some other color, if color नहीं क्या अच्छा दूसरा, let us take some red color. If, so what do you conclude from this, my dear students? You conclude that if base, height and area of one, if A1 comma A2 are areas of two triangles, and if B1 comma B2 is base of two triangles, and you can take small also, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, मैंने बड़ा ले लिया. You can take small as well. B1 B2 also H1 H2 are height of two triangles, then ratios of areas of triangle वो क्या हो जाएगा? Then A1 upon A2 is equal to base into height upon base into height. This is the normal condition. ठीक है, बट कभी कभी क्या हो सकता है, कभी बेस भी इक्वल हो सकता है, तभी क्या होएगा? And what if height is equal? So again we need to consider the two cases. So let us consider two cases. So consider following cases. This is a normal case. ठीक है, तो ये एक हमारा normal case हो गया. Now consider case one. Case one में you can take, what if the base are equal? What if base are equal? So if bases are equal, it means B1 will be equal to B2, isn't it? So if B1 is equal to B2, if B1 is equal to B2, then in particular that case B1 B2 equal है तो कट हो जाएगा. So if B1 is equal to B2, then A1 upon A2, that is area of first triangle upon area of second triangle, area of first triangle upon area of second triangle is going to be base equal है तो base cancel हो जाएगा, बचेगा सिर्फ height. So in that case A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 upon H2. I don't know what's going on over here. This is having some black magic. A1 upon A2, ठीक है? So here it is going to be A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 upon H2. This is my second case. पहला तो normal, second अभी ये last वाला case 2, that is if height are equal. So case 2, if, so sorry for my handwriting, I am trying to write neatly. If heights are equal, if heights are equal, मतलब कि H1 will be equal to H2. Don't forget this, okay? So here in this case it would be A1 upon A2 is equal to height equal है तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा बचेगा B1 upon B2. So here it's going to be equation number 3. So this three thing you need to remember. ठीक है? So what you need to remember? Firstly, you need to remember that I'm just explaining everything in short. Suppose everything is fine. ठीक है? So basically this is done. ये पार्ट तो हो गया एंड इसके ऊपर ही अपने को आज क्वेश्चंस करने हैं. But I'll just recall the things which we have done in today's lecture. So firstly, ध्यान दो, in normal condition, area of a triangle is equal to base into height upon base into height. Area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2. ये तुम्हारा normal condition है. Now, if someone tell you base is equal, B1 is equal to B2. So area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is going to be height of first triangle upon height of second triangle. And if someone says if your height is equal, if height of triangle is equal, it simply means if H1 is equal to H2. If H1 is equal to H2, in that case your area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 will be base upon base. And this is nothing but the concept of your ratios of areas of triangles. I hope I am very clear till now. Okay? And there is certain activity to be done in your textbook, so we will do that as well. I hope the textbook is visible. Okay? So in this case, you need to find what is base, what is height. देखो height तो हम लोग एक बार के लिए identify कर सकते हैं using this, isn't it? So here it is going to be area of triangle A, मतलब perpendicular sign को देख के हम लोग identify कर सकते हैं. So in this case, area of triangle ABC is equal to ABC. ध्यान देना, ABC ये रहा, A, B और C पूरा triangle. उसका base, what is the base? It is BC. It is BC. I don't know वो box में लिख पाऊंगा कि नहीं. Give me a moment. Let me just decrease the thickness. BC. ठीक है? अपॉन APQ, APQ उसके अंदर ही देखो APQ, उसका बेस क्या है? इट इज PQ. उसका हाइट क्या है? ABC का हाइट क्या है? ABC पूरे का हाइट इज AR. व्हाट इज वो छोटा सा APQ का हाइट? इट इज ऑल्सो AR. इट मीन्स दैट इन दिस केस height are equal. So here it would give me triangle would be base upon base. So sorry, it would be base upon base. B1 upon B2 which is equal to BC upon PQ. Since ये कट हो जाएगा, ठीक है? समझा? Second one, just try LMN. So उसका height is LP दिख रहा है. फिर DMN ये छोटू सा ट्रायंगल उसका हाइट इज DQ. ओके, व्हाट इज द बेस? LMN का बेस क्या है बताओ? MN. फिर DMN का बेस क्या है? MN. So in this case base are equal. Base are equal. So it's B1 is equal to B2. तो बचा क्या? H1 upon H2. So it is LP upon DQ. समझा? तो ये दो केस हुआ, फर्स्ट केस, सेकंड केस. दिस इज द एग्जांपल्स we take for understanding this particular question. I don't know why it's going so fast. Give me a moment. M is the midpoint here of seg AB and seg CM is the median. So basically area of triangle AMC क्या हो जाएगा? So here it's going to be AM upon BM. ठीक है? But BM, can you just AM upon BM? But if you see they both are equal, since CM this it would going to be AM will be equal to BM. Since CM is the median, तो इधर आ जाएगा AM upon AM. So I forgot to discuss this particular case. This case is nothing but when base and height both are equal. When base and height both are equal, area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. या 1:1 का रेशियो बोल सकते हैं आप इसको, ठीक है? So just let me mention that in my OneNote. I don't know, I forgot and it's not loading now. Oh no. So there is one more case. Can you all see some black magic running over here? I don't know what to do. Shall I restart the system or what? When? No, I need to just start that again. Give me a moment. So this is the entire prerequisite for your exercise 1.1. Huh? And we forgot to mention case 3. तो हम लोग अभी mention कर देते हैं. Never delete case 3. If B1 is equal to B2 and H1 is equal to H2, then area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to 1 upon 1, which is equal to 1. Same case you can mention over here also. Height and base both are equal. Height and base both are equal. So in this case, area of triangle 1 upon area of triangle 2 is equal to 1 upon 1, which is equal to 1. So with this, we'll end today's session over here. So this is what we have done till now. You all can just recall what is the area of triangle. We have did the proof as well. ये proof कोई पूछेगा नहीं exam में. That's the reason I was not doing that part. I don't know ये इधर इतना सारा ये क्या बन गया है, but जो भी बना है जाने दो, ठीक है? So let's stop for today. I hope it's 20 minutes and post 3 minutes above. That's all. Few questions we will do in the next class. That is in lecture number 2. That is exercise 1.1. We are going to do. Okay. Let me check 1.1 है क्या इधर है. So there are nearly question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, only 4 questions. So we'll complete it in next class. That is lecture number 2. Okay. So that's all from my side. Thank you all for attending and stay tuned for the next lecture. Bye bye. Have a good day.